ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ثلاثة وعشرون
23.
تعلم اللغات الأجنبية.
Learning foreign languages.
Learning foreign languages.
أين تعلمت الإسبانية؟
Where did you learn Spanish?
Where did you learn Spanish?
هل تتكلم أيضا البرتغالية؟
Can you also speak Portuguese?
Can you also speak Portuguese?
نعم، وأتكلم أيضا شيئا من الإيطالية.
Yes, and I also speak some Italian.
Yes, and I also speak some Italian.
أرى أنك تتكلم بشكل جيد جدا.
I think you speak very well.
I think you speak very well.
اللغات متشابهة إلى حد ما.
The languages are quite similar.
The languages are quite similar.
أستطيع أن أفهمها جيدا.
I can understand them well.
I can understand them well.
لكن التكلم والكتابة شيء صعب.
But speaking and writing is difficult.
But speaking and writing is difficult.
وما أزال أعمل أخطاء كثيرة.
I still make many mistakes.
I still make many mistakes.
أرجو أن تصحح لي دائما.
Please correct me each time.
Please correct me each time.
نطقك جيد تماما.
Your pronunciation is very good.
Your pronunciation is very good.
عندك لكنة بسيطة.
You only have a slight accent.
You only have a slight accent.
يستطيع الشخص أن يعرف من أين أنت.
One can tell where you come from.
One can tell where you come from.
ما هي لغتك الأم؟
What is your native language?
What is your native language?
هل أنت تتعلم في دورة لغات؟
Are you taking a language course?
Are you taking a language course?
أي منهج تستعمل؟
Which textbook are you using?
Which textbook are you using?
لا أعرف اسمه في الوقت الحالي.
I don't remember the name right now.
I don't remember the name right now.
العنوان لا يخطر على بالي.
The title is not coming to me.
The title is not coming to me.
لقد نسيته.
I've forgotten it.
I've forgotten it.